Hey guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome to the channel. So what I'm going to be doing for you guys today is testing out and unboxing this PITAKA protective case for the Apple AirPods. Now, not only is it a protective case, but it is also a wireless charging case. But the fun doesn't stop there, folks. Oh no, this is a double-sided wireless charging case. So something different, something I've never seen before, so should be interesting to test that out. Now, these are going to be really handy if you've got the version 1 of the Apple AirPods and you want wireless charging capabilities, or if you went for the version 2s and you didn't opt for that wireless charging case. And the good thing about them, to be honest, is that they are a hell of a lot cheaper than the original wireless charging case from Apple if you was to go and buy that separately. And the bonus is as well that it's not just a wireless charging case, it is a protective case. So, you know, you're getting two things for the price of one. Now, one thing I will mention is when I test them out, I've got a genuine set of Apple AirPods, and that's important. So we know that the size of them is going to be spot on, because you do get these knockoff ones that, you know, can be a bit different in size and stuff. So it'd be interesting to see how well a genuine set fit into this case, what the fitment is going to be like. And along with the fitment, I'm going to test out the wireless charging capabilities of that. Also, I've got this PITAKA protective case for the AirPods Pro. Now, I'm going to be covering that in a different video, but I thought I'd just mention it in this one. Again, I've got some genuine AirPod Pros. Again, be nice to see what the fitment is like on those, and just generally what the protection level is going to be like. So yeah, check that out in my other video. I'll put a link in the description. Thought I'd do it separate, just keeps it a bit simpler for you guys at home. So anyway, I think it's time we crack on with the video. Right, so first thing I think we'll do is take a little tour around the outside of the box. So these are the PITAKA AirPodPal Mini. Highly protective and modern AirPods case capable of double-sided wireless charging. And there on the front we get our first look of the case itself with the AirPods inside. And yeah, looks very nice indeed. Just to the side of that, it says it's dual-side wireless charging, bulletproof protection. You've got to have that bulletproof protection when you're out in the field. It is a must-have. Made of genuine aramid fibre, no knockoffs here, and selective luxury material. Well, we will see. Moving on to the back, and it goes on to say in very small writing, universal compatibility. So it says there it will work with the AirPods 1 and AirPods 2. Easier to use because it's got a carabiner clip on it. And again, enhanced with genuine aramid fibre. Package includes AirPodPal Mini and user manual. So let's get it unboxed. Actually, before I do, I've just realised that I've been pronouncing it wrong. I think I've been saying it's PITAKA. It's actually PITAKA. PITAKA, tomato. I don't know, who cares? It says it on the box anyway. So let's just get this lid off. So yeah, we're presented with a little cardboard sort of sleeve here. It says thank you on the front. Let's see what's in here. So get VIP treatment, and got a QR code there. It says you can extend the warranty by scanning that, so might be worth doing. A warning thing there and some instructions, and it just shows us how to put it together. And about the wireless charging, I'm sure I will figure it out. So getting down to the actual case itself now, and I've got to say, the first thing that hits me is the smell of it. It smells like deodorant or something. It's really, really odd. I sniffed my own armpits and it definitely isn't my deodorant, but smells lovely nonetheless. Not the sort of thing I'd expect when unboxing something, but hey, it's a bonus. Could be worse smelling, that's for sure. But yeah, anyway, moving on, we get our first look at the case itself with its carabiner clip at the top there. And it's in a nice foam insert, so it's nice and well protected and nicely presented. So let's put our finger in this little hole down here and prise it out. And it's in 2 pieces joined together with a loop there. That's what I'm guessing we're going to put the carabiner clip through. So on the front there, we've got the logo that I won't try and pronounce again. Moving on to the bottom, no cutout here for a charger. So if you want to charge your case up with a cable, you're going to have to take out your headphones case out of here. Nothing on the back. But one thing I will say is it feels really, really nice. In all fairness, that's a lovely soft touch, or yeah, soft feeling to it. Yeah, nice, I like that. Right, moving on to the inside of the case now. And as you can see, we have our connection for our AirPods themselves. So hopefully that should just clip in nice and easily. Nothing much else really. Looking at the lid, there is no sort of double-sided tape or anything like that to stick it on. So it should just be a push fit. Now, going back to the outside of the case, and one other thing that I do like about it is the fact that the weave on here lines up. That's always a nice touch. There's nothing worse when you have like something with a weave on it, and when it goes across onto another piece, it doesn't match up. That is really annoying when it's like that. But I'm glad to say on this one, it does line up, so it looks nice. Right, I think we should now put the AirPods inside the case. So we've got our genuine AirPods here, and I think it's just going to be simply push it into place. I'm going to do that now. Here we go, simple as that. Nice reassuring click. And with the lid, again, I'm just going to push that on now. Yep, that's it, simple as that. There you go. Slight gap around the side there. Not too big, but I'm guessing got to have a bit of a gap, otherwise it might not close or open properly. But yeah, it's not too bad. It's only a small gap, nothing too major. Let's see what it's like opening and shutting. Yeah, perfectly fine. As you can see, there you go. Doesn't touch or anything like that when it goes back. So yeah, that's spot on. Looks really, really nice, and feels lovely, got to say it. Really, really nice in the hand. Adds a little bit of weight. I wouldn't say too much. I personally quite like weighty things. Bulk-wise, yes, it adds a little bit of bulk because obviously it's got a wrap around the case. But again, I wouldn't say it's anything major. You're still going to get it inside your jeans pocket or whatever like that. It's not going to make them, overly big or anything like that. So anyway, let's have a look at this carabiner clip now. And yeah, just your sort of regular carabiner clip. Quite a nice strong spring on that. Again, you don't want one that's too weak. Not when it's holding something so expensive on your jeans or whatever. So there you go, simply hook that on there. And you're ready to go. And yeah, I think that looks really, really nice. Right, let's test out the wireless charging capabilities. Right, so what I've got here is my daughter's wireless charging pad, and just to show that it's all working properly, I've got my AirPods Pro, and just going to put those on there. As you can see, you've got a light on there indicating it is wireless charging, so that is all good. Right, let's move those off, and let's try out these. So let's just put this down on here. I don't know what it's going to do. Oh, look at that, straight away. I didn't even realise that. There is a tiny... Now, I would have never even noticed that. Can you see that tiny pinhole there? that is clearly the LED indicator to show that it's charging. Do you know what? I didn't even think about that, about an indicator. But yeah, look at that straight away, no messing about. So that is one way round, and let's see if it does it the other way around. So we will put it down on its face now, so to speak. Yeah. And as you can see there, hopefully, we have got a light on the bottom indicating it is wireless charging. So that is great. Now, at what speed these charge up at in that case, I've got no idea whatsoever, but I probably think it's going to be exactly the same as what the genuine Apple one is like. But yeah, there you go. That works perfectly fine. Doesn't matter what way round I put it, and it, you know, does it quick. There's no real sort of delay in it or anything like that. He says, there we go. Yeah, didn't get it lined up there. Right, so before we actually wrap up this video, what I thought I'd do is try and remove the case, because, you know, you might not always want it on there. You know, you might want to sell your AirPods and not include the case. So let's just see how easy or hard it is to do that. So I'm not going to pull the lid part off that direction. I'm going to attack it from the other side and just get my finger in there and give it a pull. There you go, that come off easy enough. And apparently to remove the main part of the case, you just open up the lid, give it a sharp pull. There we go. Yeah, that was simple enough, nice and easy. But what I would say is when it is actually in there, like that, you know, it's solid, it's not dropping off or anything like that. And that's exactly what you want. You know, you want it firm enough that it all stays in place, but not so firm that you're then going to struggle to get it all apart again. So, there you have it then, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that video, and if you did, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And don't forget, I will also be unboxing the PITAKA AirPodPal Mini protective case for the, if I can get them, the AirPods Pro. So if you want to see that video, then check out the link in the description. And if you have enjoyed this video today and you'd like to see more of the same in the future, then please hit that subscribe button. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.